Welcome to Harborview Grande 703, your dream beach vacation destination. Come and explore this stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo just 2 blocks from the beach. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing properties and vacation travel inspiration. Nestled right in the heart of Clearwater Beach, Harborview Grande offers the perfect getaway for friends and family alike. Step inside this 1,800 square foot retreat and you're greeted by tasteful tile, abundant light, and a wide open floor plan. The living room features a very comfortable sectional sofa, a flat screen TV, and sliding glass doors out onto the balcony. Relax on this expansive balcony where you could take in the stunning bay views and soak up the sunshine. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a full-size refrigerator, range, over-the-range microwave, and all the utensils you need. Perfect for preparing meals and spending quality time with your loved ones. Enjoy your meals at a spacious table that seats 6, or grab a quick bite in the morning or at lunch at the breakfast bar that seats 4. Rest and recharge in one of 3 well-appointed bedrooms. The master features a king-size bed, a flat-screen TV, a walk-in closet, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom with a dual sink vanity, garden tub, separate shower, and a water closet. After the master suite, the condo also offers 2 guest rooms, the first of which offers a king-size bed, flat-screen TV, and a closet to store your belongings in. One other nice feature that this condo comes with is luggage holders, so you don't have to put your luggage on the beds or on the sofa, and they're up and off the floor. The third bedroom, or the second guest bedroom, offers 2 twin-size beds, a small flat-screen TV, and an armoire to keep your belongings in. This is the guest bathroom, which comes with a vanity sink and a shower tub combo. It's not overly necessary to pack real heavy when you're coming on vacation to a vacation rental such as Harborview Grande. This unit comes with its own washer and dryer, so you can wash your laundry halfway through. This condo also comes well appointed with everything you need for the beach, from chairs to umbrellas to even a few beach toys for the kids. The rec room, complete with a pool table, offers additional entertainment and fun for guests of all ages. But beware that children under the age of 18 must be accompanied by an adult. During your stay at the Harborview Grande, you'll have access to the heated pool and attached jacuzzi hot tub.
Experience the best of beachside living at Harborview Grande 703 and book your unforgettable beach vacation today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing properties and vacation travel inspiration.